So what to do?
First of all, the usage of credit card, conventional credit cards, is not permissible, because once you apply for them, you're actually agreeing to borrow from the bank an X amount of money and to pay it within the grace period, whether it's 40 days or so. If you pay it within this grace period, you're fine. If you're late, they will impose upon you riba, which is interest taken in exchange for waiting for you to pay off your debt. And they call it interest. Signing and accepting such a ruling is endorsing a major sin. It's riba, one of the 7 major sins in Islam. It's like issuing a credit card and you sign on the agreement saying, if I'm late 1 day after the grace period, you have the right to rape my wife. Duh. Would anybody agree to that? No, of course not. Aren't you sure you're going to pay before the grace period is over? Yes, I am, but I would never sign such a heinous, filthy thing. Riba is the same. The same magnitude, maybe worse, and it is a major sin that attains you the curse of Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, this is generally speaking. So for you to go and use the credit card to pay off your student loans or your university fees, this means that you don't have the cash. If you say, no, Sheikh, I do have the cash, but they only accept payment through credit card. In this case, immediately inject the amount in the credit card so that by using it, it would be like a debit card. It's already charged and the money is there. The grace period is done. Immediately it would be withdrawn from it. So it's not borrowing from them. Then only it can be halal.